Okay, I couldn't find a video that explains this drill, so I decided to draw a diagram, and I felt like the best way to do it would be by recording the video of me drawing the diagram. So basically in this drill, you're gonna have 4 poly spots like I said. And the distance between it can be different as long as the distance is the same and it makes a square. And on each poly spot, you're gonna have an offensive player. This is to start, this is the 4v1 one. And then in the middle, you will have one defensive player. And between, if the ball is here, let's say the ball is here, this player can pass the ball here, here, or they can pass it here to this teammate. And they're just trying to move the ball around and keep it away from the X. And that's basically all they're doing. This is just what the drill looks like. They have the decision to pass to 1 of the 3. And then for the most advanced version of the drill, the 3v2 version of the drill, we're gonna still have the 4 poly spots. But now we only have 3 offensive players. And we're gonna have 2 defensive players. And let's say that this player has the ball. This player can now pass the ball in either direction, to either player. This player can dribble the ball to a poly spot. And this player could also receive a screen from another player and take the screen to another poly spot. Also, the players that don't have the ball, for example, this one, can cut to another poly spot. They can go set a screen for another player that does not have the ball, and that player can then go to a different poly spot. Or like I showed with this one, the player that doesn't have the ball can go set a screen for a player that does have the ball so they can get to the next poly spot. The defenders will just try to stop them from doing this.